welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be answering prompt number 10 for the weekly vlog hop. As you guys know, I'm participating in this vlog hop and there are other YouTubers participating as well. I will put the link to their YouTube channels down below in the description area, as well as the playlist, so you can see everyone's answers to these prompts. So this week's question is, what doll do you take the most pictures of and why? Plus, show us the doll. So here's the doll. This is my rewigged and redressed Pullip. She's the doll that I have been taking the most pictures of, and I think the reason why I enjoy taking pictures of her is just because her face up is so unique. I just love her little sad eyebrows. It just really makes her look so adorable, and I think ever since I found this wig for her, which really matches her face-up colors really well, it's just been more of an incentive for me to take pictures, as well as the fact that I created an Instagram account. So now I feel like I really have more fun taking pictures. Now I have to say that I'm not, a professional photographer. I'm trying to kind of create more fun pictures when I'm taking them, just so they don't look all the same. But anyway, so that's the doll that I enjoy taking the most pictures of right now. And I will include some photos of her at the end of this video so you guys can see it. Let me know down below in the comment section what is your favorite doll that you like to photograph, and if you have an Instagram account, let me know down below in the comment section as well so I can follow you on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Pullip videos, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!